channel, Air Fryer Recipes 101. Well, as I promised you, this channel is to make simple, easy air fryer recipes. Something that all of you can make, whether you're a seasoned air fryer or you're just learning or you're thinking about buying an air fryer. And I'm going to be showing you so many things that you probably don't realize you can cook in an air fryer, but yes you can. So today we are going to make corn muffins in our air fryer. That's right. So you say, Dolores, what do we need to make those corn muffins? Well, before I tell you, I want to thank you all for stopping by and supporting my channel. Thanks to all of you who came over from my other channel, the Baking Diva. And those of you that are new here, I hope you'll come back. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, just go down below and hit that red subscribe and the little bell next to it till it says all, and you'll be a subscriber. You won't miss any of these great air fryer recipes I have coming up. So, let's get started. The first thing you're going to need, obviously, is an air fryer. And I have my Ninja air fryer here, but these will work in whatever air fryer you have. Next, you're going to need a box of, and I'm using Jiffy corn muffin mix. And I'm sure you're probably all familiar with that. This is a box that's 8.5 ounces. You're going to need, for this you'll need some spray, either Pam or an olive oil spray or an avocado spray. And for those of you that watched my first video where I talked all about the air fryer and I said, don't use spray in your air fryer. That's right, we are not using it in the air fryer. I'll show you where we're going to use it in a minute. And you're going to need 1 egg. You're going to need 1/3 of a cup of milk. And of course, a bowl. So the first thing I'm going to do is put my corn muffin mix in this bowl. So let's just dump that right in there. I'm sure most of you are familiar with Jiffy corn muffin mix. It's been around for, oh gosh, like forever. Okay, and then I'm going to put my 1/3 of a cup of milk in there and 1 egg. I'm going to take my spoon and I'm going to mix this. Now you don't want to over mix this. This may have a few lumps in it. You just want to get the corn muffin mix incorporated with the milk and the egg. You don't want to keep mixing and mixing, because if you mix it too much, the muffins will be dry and they'll be a little tough. So let's just get this mixed. And the next thing you're going to need, and I'll show them to you in a second, is silicone baking cups. You don't put paper cupcake liners in here. You use the silicone ones. You surely can buy them in the store. I ordered mine from Amazon. They came as a pack in all multicolors, and I'll put the link in my description box if any of you need to order them. So this is pretty much incorporated. Still some lumps in it, but it's mixed, and this is just the way I like it, just like this. All right, so the next thing you want to do is you want to take your silicone cups and you want to gently spray the insides of them and the sides with a non-stick spray. Normally silicone, the baking products don't stick to it, but just to be on the safe side, that's what we're going to do. So now, let me take the basket out of my air fryer here. And I'm not going to spray the inside of the air fryer. You don't have to do that this time. And I'm going to fill my little silicone cups, oh this is so pretty, look at that pink one, to about 2/3 full with the corn muffin mix. So let me do that. And then you're going to put them right into the basket of the air fryer. Make sure the cups aren't touching one another. So let me put them in. I'll take a still for you of the cups in the air fryer so you can see them. I'll insert them in the video. All Alrighty. So let me do this off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. The Jiffy corn mix makes 6 muffins. So you just saw the picture I inserted in the video, how I have them in the basket here. So I'm going to take my air fryer basket and put it right in here to my air fryer. The 6 fit in there perfectly. Now I'm going to put it on air fry here. I have to bend over to get to it. I'm going to put the temperature on. What did I say? I'm going to put the temperature on 325 degrees. So normally it comes on mine automatically at 390. We're going to bring it down to 325. Now I'm going to bake these for 7 to 9 minutes. Now every air fryer is different. So you might want to check yours at that 5 or 6 minute mark just to see how they're doing in there. And one thing I should make sure I mention to you is when you put them in the silicone cups, you need the regular size muffin cups. Don't buy the mini ones or the large ones. They need to be the regular standard size muffin cup. So alright, I'm going to come over to my timer here. Comes on 20 minutes. I'm going to use the down arrow and bring it down to 7 minutes. I'm going to press the on button and these babies are going to start cooking. I'll check them in a few minutes and I'll be back. Alright, as you can see, the timer's going down. I put it on 7 minutes. Let's see what they look like after the 7 minutes. So we'll take out the basket. They're nice and golden brown on the top. They look good, but we're going to need to put a toothpick in there and see if it comes out clean. I'm going to put them on maybe another, let me see, they're very hot, very hot. I'm going to put them on another minute and then I'm going to see how they're doing. So I will be right back. Let's see. Air fry, temperature 325. Let's give them one more minute and we'll check them again. Okay, let's see. 2, 1, blast off. So let me take the basket out. Oh, look at this. They're nice and golden brown on the top. Let me check them again with the toothpick. All right, they're nice and golden brown on top, but I just think they need to get done a little bit more in the middle. So let me tell you what you can do. You have a lot of heat inside your air fryer. I'm not going to turn it on. I'm going to put this back in there with the air fryer off. You have a lot of residual heat in your air fryer. So we're just going to let them sit in there for a few minutes and they'll continue cooking with the heat that's in there. And then I'm going to come back. We're going to do a taste testing. You should know, that's another fact you should know too, is that if you're cooking something in the air fryer, let's just say, I don't know, you're making chicken tenders or whatever. Your first batch is going to cook, and when you take them out and you go to put in a second batch, they're probably going to cook a little bit faster because you still have a lot of heat in there in the air fryer, so make sure you double check them. So I'll be back and hopefully then we'll do a taste testing. The basket out now. Oh, these look yummy. They look delicious. Let me hold one up for you. They're hot. See how nice and golden brown they are? Ooh, they're hot. So I'm going to put one in a dish. Now this was 7 minutes. I'll put it on the screen on the 325. Then I put them in for another minute. So let's say 8 minutes at 325. And then I put the basket in for like another minute just to let the residual heat cook them a little bit more. So I would say between 7 and 9 minutes. Check your muffins at 7 minutes. The toothpick in them. You think they're done? Fine. If not, put them in for another minute or two. All right, so let me take one of these babies out. Ooh, they look so delicious. Mmm. They're hot. Hot, hot, hot. There we go. Now you can serve these with butter, honey. You can eat them plain, but look what I have here. Since the cameraman is Irish, we have the Kerrygold pure Irish butter. And I'm going to put those on it now. So let me take this hot muffin out of here. Comes right out. See that? I can turn it upside down. Look, falls right out of this silicone wrapper. Woo! I'm going to cut it in half. Shouldn't have a butter knife here, but I do. There we go. Oh, look at that. Let me hold it up. Looks perfect inside. You can air fry anything in your air fryer. So let me put a little butter on it, and I'm gonna do a taste testing. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Look at that. Oh, some on here, some over here. Oh yeah. All right, here we go. Look at that. Mmm. 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 Chewy. Mmm. Moist. Hot. 2 thumbs up. So, make your muffins in the air fryer. You will love them. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because you never know what I'm going to make in there next. So for now, I want to say thank you for stopping by. Love each and every one of you. Toodles!